Hello, my dear students. I welcome each one of you to my uh, class online Google Classroom, which is on our paper Mathematical Methods for Economics. Uh, I know that you might be missing our offline classes as much as I do, but looking at the prevailing situation in the state and also the seasonal change happening in our state, in heavy downpour, uh, and the limited number of working days, uh, I thought resorting to online classes will be the best platform. And also considering the fact that many of you were unable to attend the online classes because of many reasons, right? And because of which you could not maintain the momentum in the class, in the sense, if one student was missing the previous class, the following classes will be problematic, right, for him or her. So those problems will not be there in this Google Online platform, right? These materials, the videos will be available. We'll try to make them available around the clock. And not only the videos, I'm planning to put quizzes and also PDF notes and reading materials and exercises and problem solving tasks, right? Because this paper is uh, quantitative, right? And, and you need a lot of practices for quantitative papers, right? So, considering all those factors, I have planned to make the videos available, and along with the videos, I have planned to make a summary of each lecture series, right? Be it 1 or 2 pages, right? For your convenience, so that you can always come back, right? For a faster revision of the videos. So you can keep checking this Google platform, because I will keep uploading and sharing the material for the convenience of all of you. And also, I have a request to each one of you who have already joined. I have sent an invitation link, right, to each of the emails that I've collected via the Google Form link, which I created some time ago, and I have forwarded in the group. Whoever have accepted my invitation are now in this group, but there are still many students who are yet to join in this Google Classroom. So please spread this word that Sir Manimon is taking online classes, Google classes, right? And he has sent an email to all of the classmates who have submitted the Google form, right? So if I don't have your email ID, I might not have sent the Google link, right, to join my class, right? In such cases, also you have my number, you can reach out to me, right? I will share again the code for, or the link for joining this Google Classroom. So, but the sooner you join in this Google Classroom, the better for you and for all of us, because the time we don't have much time looking at the examination date, right? So the faster, the earlier we prepare for this uh, papers, the better for you, because you might be needing the revision time also. So with that, I I'm excited to share our online platform with each of you, right? And you keep checking our announcement for material and for the lecture series here in our on our Google Classroom. Thank you.